We're going to solve these by elimination. The ones that we'll work on in this video will require multiplication. If we add them just like they are, nothing would be eliminated. 2x plus 3x is 5x, negative 1y plus negative 2y is negative 3y. For elimination, we want either x or y to be eliminated. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make it so that the x's are eliminated. So we're going to multiply the top by 3. Now that's coming from the fact that this coefficient in the second equation is 3. So we're going to multiply the top one by 3, and then we'll multiply the bottom one by 2. Now one thing we have to check to make sure is that one of them will come out to be positive and one come out to be negative. Well, to begin with, we have both positive. So we need one of them to come out to be negative, so let's make the 2. Instead of multiplying by positive 2, let's multiply by negative 2 on the second equation. Now we'll distribute. 3 times 2x gives us 6x. 3 times negative y is negative 3y. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. And then distribute your negative 2. Negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative 2y is positive 4y. And then 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Now we'll add our equations together. So we get y equal to negative 5. Notice that the x's are eliminated. So we have the y value. Now we need to find the x value. We can go to either equation. I'll go with the top one, top original. So 2x minus y is negative 5, equals negative 1. Minus a negative, we'll rewrite that as plus a positive. And now it's a two-step equation. Subtract 5 from each side. So we have 2x equals negative 6, and then divide by 2. And so x is negative 3. Put it together as an ordered pair, x, then y. On this one, we can multiply the top by 3, and then the bottom by negative 5. Again, we want one of them to come out to be positive, one to come out to be negative. So distributing your 3 times 5x gives us 15x, 3 times negative 2y is negative 6y, and then 3 times negative 10 is negative 30. For the second one, distributing your negative 5 times 3x, negative 15x. Negative 5 times 6y is negative 30y. And then on the right side, 66 times negative 5 is negative 330. Now we'll add our equation together, and the x's will be eliminated, and so we get negative 36y equals negative 360. To get rid of multiplying by negative 36, divide by negative 36. And so we get y equal to 10. And now we're going to take that 10 and plug it back in. The second equation all has positives, so I'll go with the second one. So 3x plus 6 times y, which is 10, equals 66. Multiply, you get 60. Now it's a two-step equation. Subtract 60 from each side, you get 6. To get rid of multiplying by 3, divide by 3. So we have our solution 210. Same idea here. Multiply the top by 5. And then we'll multiply the bottom by negative 7. Again, we want one of them to come out to be positive, one of them to come out to be negative. So distributing your 5, you get 35x plus 20y equals negative 20. And then distributing your negative 7, you get negative 35x minus 56y equals negative 196. Add your equations together, we get negative 36y equals negative 216. And then divide by 36 on each side, or negative 36. And so y equals positive 8. Or positive 3, sorry. Excuse me, positive 6. Alright, so we got y equal to 6. Now we'll find x by plugging this back in. Second equation has positive, so it might be just a little bit easier to work with. So we got 5x plus 8 times y, which is 6, equals 28. 8 times 6 is 48. Two-step equation from here. To get rid of the plus 48, subtract 48. So we have 5x equal to negative 20. To get rid of multiplying by 5, divide both sides by 5, and so x is negative 4. So we have the ordered pair, negative 4, 6. So these are intersecting lines that have that one solution. This time, if we multiply the top equation by positive 3 and the bottom by positive 4, then we'll already end up with opposite signs. So notice that to begin with, we already have opposite signs. 4x is positive, negative 3x is negative. So distribute your 3. Now we'll add our equations together, the x's will be eliminated, so get negative 26 y equals 52. To get rid of multiplying by negative 26, we'll divide both sides by negative 26, and so y equals negative 2. We'll take that negative 2 and plug it back in. I'll just go with the top equation this time. So 4x minus 2 times negative 2 equals 32. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. So we have 4x plus 4 equals 32. Two-step equation from here. Subtract 4 from each side, you get 28. And then divide by 4. Put it together as an ordered pair, x, then y. Hope you've enjoyed this video. There are more on my website, swayze.weebly.com.